The event is an event that has happened in Jamaica before. Early in the game, we made it very clear to all of the usual events that we support or endorse in the destination that we would not be doing live events this year because of the protocols and what they expect to happen when executing events. And so there should be no misunderstanding about our position with this event. The last time we sponsored Mochafest was in 2019, and the event was cancelled in 2020. And as far as we're concerned, the event was not even taking place this year. The calendar of events typically remain the same each year, except we may add or subtract one or two events depending on whether or not they're happening or whether or not they're delivering value. Right? So from that perspective, those dates typically are populated more than a year in advance. Now, the fact that Mochafest we didn't have an application from them this year, but the site would have done an auto movement of the event once it is not taken down. So this is why we said this morning in the statement that we regret having not been more careful to make sure probably that the entire event calendar was removed from the website. And that's our responsibility, and we take full responsibility for that oversight. Once we begin to relax these protocols, then we've lost the essence of what we're trying to achieve with them and with the creation of the tourism resilience corridor, which has served the business well. And so anything that is going to disrupt that, we are going to be strong against it.
So I'm instructing that all activities which is being undertaken by Mochafest be done exclusively in the protocols established, failing which the security forces are well aware of their actions and their rights in that regard. I want it to be very clear that the Ministry of Tourism will tolerate no breach whatsoever of the protocols that we have established.